Today I will introduce the Vsmile Ingot model preparation and workshop. Recommend using suitable wax for brownout. The minimum work thickness of the press material and the lay material must be observed. These are to be carefully. Investing. Mix up the investment material and the liquid according to the recommended ration. Pour the mixed investment into the ring carefully to prevent bubbles. Keep a distance of the last 5 mm. Do not reuse any ingot. And pressing. Mark the length of the plunger on the coiled investment ring. Recommend to use 4 bar of pressure of the journal blasting and 2 bar for precise blasting. When cutting, spread too much pressure and the wear heading must be observed. Smooth the cutting point by using stone bar. Smooth the restoration surface with silicone rubber. Stain and glaze furring. Please follow the recommended furring schedule for the material manufacturer. This is our feedback to Amber Press HTA2. Bye.